Last year, Georgia was in national news when a mother, Brittany Patterson, let her 10-year-old son walk to the store alone, and law enforcement reacted by arresting her for reckless conduct, saying that she shouldn't have done that. Now, that is absolutely ridiculous and an example of gross government overreach of telling parents how to parent their kids. There was no indication this was an unsafe neighborhood or that this kid couldn't make it to the store alone or that this mother was doing anything other than letting her kid have some independence so he can grow up to be a normal, productive citizen of this state and of this country. So, luckily, the Georgia legislature took action. And this year, they changed the reckless conduct law to make it clear and to make sure that parents who let their kids do reasonable, unsupervised behavior are not subject to prosecution by a reckless law enforcement officer who's going rogue and wants to make the news for themselves. So, Georgia parents are now protected to parent how they want to parent their children. It is not the government's place to be telling people how to make decisions about their kids, about whether they can walk to the neighborhood store or not. And thankfully, Georgia has recognized that. The legislators or legislature has recognized that and made the changes to protect Georgia parents from unreasonable government prosecution. What a terrible experience for Miss Patterson and her son making national news, getting arrested. But also, thank you to her for dealing with that and making sure that this doesn't happen to other parents in the future.